So okay, so we're gonna be learning the name of each string on the acoustic guitar. It's really important to know them. This is E. We're gonna be starting from bottom to the top. E, B as in baby. This is G. This is D. This is A, and this is E. Okay. All right. So once we know that, then we gotta start working with the chords, and these are frets. Okay. So we have fret 1, fret 2, fret 3, fret 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is 12. All right. So yeah, and then the other thing that we have to know too, the picks, right? And then just use your fingers. Okay. Okay. And then so one of the rhythms that we're gonna be learning, it's down, 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 up, up, down,